We are continuing to have a look at how vehicles that are traveling on the right side of the road, or the correct side of the road, come to land up on the wrong side of the road facing oncoming traffic. In the previous video, we had a look at where one vehicle bumps into another vehicle, forcing it onto the wrong side of the road. This video is a little bit similar in that we're also having a look at where vehicles collide with one another, forcing one or more of the vehicles onto the wrong side of the road. The difference being that here we're having a look at higher speed impacts or more serious collisions that would cause vehicles to change their path or steer them onto the wrong side of the road. We'll have a look at the animation to start off with. Now bear in mind, before we have a look at the real life clips, that the purpose of this is to help us to be more alert and more aware of what's happening on the roads. And so the idea is that we don't just simply drive along casually, think that everything's fine, we don't have to worry, it all looks to be okay, but rather to be constantly on the alert and always be in expectation of something going wrong. And so as we go through the real life clips to follow, and also as you go through the montage section following that, try to have a look at what sort of situations or scenarios arise that would cause a vehicle to land up on the wrong side of the road. We'll have a look at the first real life clip then. So there we had a vehicle that's entering from the side road, didn't stop in time, came into the path of this larger vehicle, and it was knocked across the road. This next one, we have the driver of this vehicle possibly falling asleep at the wheel, but lands up traveling on the wrong side of the road. Now that's not what we want to depict here. It's the impact that causes then the vehicles to land up on the wrong side of the road. There we go. This poor unfortunate driver had to be the unlucky soul that landed up on the wrong side. And this next one, I just want to stop the video here. So you may recall, if you've watched the previous video, that when a car has stopped waiting for the oncoming traffic to pass so that it can cross over the road, there's always the danger that a vehicle comes and rear ends that vehicle that's waiting to cross over the road, and in that way, through the impact, forces it across the road. For this real life clip, where there are larger, weightier, heavier vehicles involved, then there's always the danger that if something goes wrong, due to the momentum of a larger vehicle such as a truck, especially if it's carrying a load, that it's very easy for either that truck to force a car across the road, or even for the larger vehicle itself, as we can see in this real life clip, to be forced across the road. So never feel that things are safe. Always be on the lookout and have a plan of action should something go wrong. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.